Chara chwele wi warailo. Ka wabino kan. Ina bilo ge mo mangene rom gutu dama do. Do mun kan rom attacking an. But not the ada. Any the art kichako you know. Before you were the art. So ke you the art.
Chile you the art.
Impero macharo. Kila you. Charka you Kampala gacha. Guru pay you my leg. So I pa failing that believing ni. And it can away ni pa be failing. Piana war team mega. Pa loga tai kung gi piana la ko de joman team ka ke konye gi WIZLOW ka ko tinge dong do ni kan ping dong.
With WIZLOW
Jomu team gi dong
Jomu chao.
Chene go show charo.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy MG as always. Before do the YouTube channel, Mamekwa Tami Bay TV, kama wati program makebani celebrity vibes, kama wakelo celeb mamiki chi wanywa okere jima pole and yatin yom wati ke celeb mamekwa I studio mamekwa man in WIZLOW Art Boy. Iti bro.
Yeah man.
For wati kiri. For you. Itika nan monya tutwale.
Yeah.
Ananga award EP Dignity Award. Only no show more Christmas. I mean independent TV, you know.
Show yeah.
Very tap total.
Take a show.
Yeah. So WIZLOW tina akili channel mamego and yeah yum total ni being channel mamego Tami Bay TV and I want us to talk about cause anene it was EP but I made a what
mixtape.
Yeah, I mean mixtape. At America one log where chile can. Not all of general. I win away money. When a guru come copa down to 12 kiloni. Is it Chan Willow? Yeah. So WIZLOW. You where iramu mixtape or album or EP, but at least no way a chile man guru twin down. Ma beruka scrolling social media, people are liking that song. I want us to. America initiate about more more inspiring in where each of Chan Willow.
Chan Willow, only story of my life.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a true story. TJ Moka and Tiema, Beruka Linie, but Chan Willow, and then I carry my tale part 1. Chan Willow, and it's part 1.
So it's going to be like a series.
It's going to be a series, Mabu Beruka movie, episode. So Chan Willow, pero a guru manana.
Like
but
picking from every angle.
Yeah.
In
part 2, I will start from the beginning, how the whole thing started.
How the story started.
Yeah, a bit from the beginning. I only made for the highlighting.
So, Chan Willow, that's when you're going to still count it a mixtape or it's going to be now like single?
No, Aroma Ball is single. Like next year, Aroma Ball is single. Actually, man of the Chan Willow. Got it in my mixtape, man. I get more Aroma Cartona, yeah, no, got it in my
EP or album.
Career. Yeah, just I think I recommend.
So, how do you feel like writing your own life story to a song? Because most rappers or most artists, they don't do that. They always when this is things might happen in community, but for you cut it clear, this is my life, this is my story. You people go and listen.
No, I don't mind. You have the dark side of you, but you don't want the world to see. But you know my chill, choke with your ni below banan, part by
Macholi. Or the other side of yours.
Now the other story, you're sleeping on. Ni below banan. Kenya yeah, ibin yang itiki. Gina no ma itika. Pero may better worry, Gina no may better worry. Romalaka do gan my bed. The tree went call, make up the corner
Romalaka changing from that.
Where I tamani I carry away because that's the only way I can express my inside. I express what is really hurting me. So, Gina no try to train up a car, my don't fall before try to train. Yeah. Tamani awachi anong pa chami lo benong pa belo because tiro bero ka meta jima dung te kare
mo kana be futi ka
ya futi ka bino so o ka mama lo ajin chuna lo ajin chuna wa andong kita la we mana wa ni chuna petera terra eta jin kita ajin omega ajin
so you decided to release Chan Willow.
Yeah, Chan Willow. Ajin chuna wa chini with my doing a be up a kere Chan Willow when I became a kere eto Chan Willow when he pobo mina vora
Pian Willow when he power ko
Willow ni power ko be paper one armo.
Yeah, so honestly guys kati lo command itami when it late mami atami you need to go and first check the songs, and these songs amar mate ko kicking mixtape, and I love the way you blend it, because it's very hard for a rapper, like it's very hard for a singer or an artist or a musician to exposing the other lifestyle of him or her. So I'm so glad to you, bro, for what you are, my team in is something legit in so WIZLOW, after this mixtape, what do other fans you expecting from WIZLOW?
After mixtape amiro ni fans gunyang dong anga ke come ma abero ke ngong ke come like iloni o
manifesto mamigi
yeah
any dark politics manifesto for WIZLOW in rap game.
I think me onyo na kidan kisingeo nang mamega manaka yan tin luwe makan penny me balo nying armo but one machalo kaka chuli no kaka luo kuya pengelo matak an gina na tiro wa na wachon watiki kuya peng madung to tale wiwa watiki lonya madung watiki jim madung mo tati mana ato pawa ye ti mana kan
mira ci team
chan
mano don kamo kene pe don lo
wana chwele wiwa rajo ka wa bieno kan ina bilo ge mo mangene rom gudu da madung de mo kero matake nga but not lo ada any the art kichako yueo before yueo waro yueo the art so ke yueo the art
chili che yueo di kai
yueo impero mo chero kile yueo charka yueo Kampala kacha gulu pe yueo maleng.
So we need to start from Gulu.
What do you mean maleng? No.
What do you mean? I'm confused.
No. Ingeo kare wa John, no kare wa Bible makachoe. Tijo kene tie lo kwere mo kamba phone pege gonye. So I'm young no see gadam.
So you're now talking in parables. So I'm a chera in the book of Charlo kachara.
Nara. Impero mo tingala yue ni ke gula kan. Igero bas. Rinho que la yue
Kampala. On decal gulu furcho.
Decal gulu furcho le tinga que la yue ni cha.
So anya pang kai you get parables in first comment in the comment sections. Like for me honestly, I don't know the
we mo guti la yue que corre.
Cha yue Kampala.
Cha yue Kampala que la yue. Me gana o de time.
So WIZLOW, korong work local you no Bitcoin. I want us to continue. Kainano. Short and sweet. Chalo mixtape. Do you feel like doing any collab with other artists, like big artists?
I feel like doing collab. La way ma aramo watching on the phone luar. Ma ati ma na team collab kera. Kelo way ma dane. Ma pedake koni taiga but kiwar mere kuzaneno kira en team ki jimene pe board to ali kira team ki jimene Patulava boy.
Yeah, Patulava boy.
Yeah. tell me watch about you know.
Mm.
Kind of football a lot deep to it, but anything can wear my
At least you feel like you should do collab with
like down on my dome. I'm gonna go wear away, man. Right?
Sense here and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Wow. So WIZLOW, kada mo share ka program ba mo akati share ka tum. Do you expect any
I think a video my doing on my part.
maybe bolo?
Maybe bolo.
Like every month or
we am getting an again a wing video never here.
be dropping, you know.
Video where I'm be dropping.
You like yeah there.
Yeah, where I'm be dropping. But get it on be official video, but at least give mama at least no now chill yeah.
We can use it.
Give mama
visualizer.
Give mama at least ka fans now. You are any near any the creative. Now mero gan gi you gi ko pen video mo kana kelo ideas mo ko mano because amaro team matiu kere pen team matiu kere gineno tama jogyan ma pere te gi value tama mega jogyan ma pere te tama ikan makate kere team mega peke bola ta kadi peke tiu kere kadi peke tiu ke chabani
At least we'll
wow to any tama be go go chiu ke korwa ko ngati eni aye bana tam ga war gi bana ya team mo ga ma ti kere war gi wow yeah so we are pas failing they are believing ni and we can way ni pas be failing piana war team mega ba lo ga tai kum gi piana la ko de jomen tema ka ke konye gi wi lo ka ko tinge dong u dari kan ping dong
we will
lo
jomu cha
team gi dong
jomu cha
chene go show e chare ngeni mo kene ni adi gi go show e chare wi gi wil kama ge charo gi yeo jo mo konye gi wel ge go show e charo gi wil mo taka gi ngwe ju kere gi no mo na be jo gi beru kere ni
we will
wi gi wil lo nero but ana foi team mega we are both with team mega gem gi de team na ya ji
I want to shoot you with one question.
yeah
Nowadays you're not because one way with you child troublemaker, let me use that word. But over because of releasing the mixtape where social media you are not violent these days. What is it? What is going on? Can you do go born again or here?
kolo matala pa du born again
Kake rokechi chako.
Ani ang ibero no wa ta social media ni chara ki cha pa dang marai cha ke ni ke kulwi ga timo ga ma pe ta ki dong gam lo pa lo baba du la baba cho ga lo ba mo ken ya ti no ngar me ken ku yele pero mi ro overreacting dan mo por gineni weni WIZLOW a winyo ki wena no nyang an ga da garba ta ki kuma na no social media no tika voko fan mo mo choy pen ngar me kan do ni comment section cha ngeno fan wa fra mi tam ki promoter money cho ma la we me ni ki yar ni yar me na ma la we ne na yar na wa an promoter ne na bi lo war cha ki kere pen e ma la we mo gino ti me kedbu
Yeah, I remember that.
e ma la we mo ne vu a bi lo war ti cho kere ka wa beru ki ish mo na pen cha da da rupe ken gi dan lo le dak ma mani ki bi ti ko beru ga yar na jogi bu yar ma mani pe biti mo mo ga ne pe ki karo na ga
We have no.
na ga yar ma mani ki bi dui dak tuye ye vu gi mo biti mi pa
So the way you get reacting, getting.
ya ki don karo mo ni ma wa no mo na cho chene cha wa lo we ami yo me cho tamni o we ko ber ka nya lo te an me te an kan gan bien ana lo we lo war mo ken ki te ti mane ka mano chene mo ni mo no me te an ni ki show mo ki te go
Which are the noir kilo
kilo tian nyar ma ti lo tian kwan mo mi go be tian kwan candidates lo tian club be lo tian primary mi no go be kan kwan gidi nyar angi nyingi but abiling pendong aware la ko e on
Yeah, you have been there also. At least you have experience, and you should teach the community also.
Amira ni ko magiri ko ni kongo na no mod
Guluri iya.
gulori e kon pe chene mane me no me te tira li mi adi me char ka vola la tiana ngaro mani lo nyoro pi yele ba lo nyoro te char nyanya char choka di ro la long
They're struggling
no go beri
to make the life of the students all keep easier.
te char nyanya giri char kono ngo tengyo ato no ngaro mane te kanyaro te tiana
So guys, take notes, man. Chana may no material. Gware will ngom. make a better future life.
Stop open and pen can now away and away the job. I know no you down chan.
No go better.
And not the teacher and any that my balo co and now Mama Congo chow.
You go palanyo the neck on.
Yeah.
Man. I give you, flowers for that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for you take total in Berka look. Tell me be TV always and Anabed us MG key. Will make a better WIZLOW out boy. Forward ever. Backward never. For you